Imperial Place provides an unbeatable mix of historic character and tasteful design. The building was constructed in 1883 and served as the Vesta Knitting Company factory, later sold to the Imperial Knife Company, from which the building gets its name. Its ideal location in Providence's jewelry district, also known as the Knowledge District, lets you enjoy a central location close to the pedestrian bridge, providing scenic walks to the east side. As you exit the elevator on the third floor, you enter Unit 302 to find a stunning 2,000 square foot loft. Oversized windows fill the living room with sunlight and expansive cityscape views for dazzling entertaining. Its versatile layout lets you customize for your living and dining space needs. 10-foot wood-beam ceilings, original hardwood floors, and white brick walls create a gorgeous backdrop for daily life. This area opens to the gourmet kitchen, providing a large stone-top center island and sleek Euro-style cabinetry. Privacy and charm come together as you step into the lovely den or office, followed by the primary bedroom. The attached dressing room offers amazing built-ins, convenient stacked laundry, and a large walk-in shower to let you pamper in luxury. A convenient half bath near the entry nicely accommodates guests, capping off this fabulous unit that is both an intimate escape and a true crowd pleaser. With downtown Providence just beyond, enjoy award-winning theaters and acclaimed restaurants. Visit nearby India Point Park for coastal views, or take a stroll along the river to Water Place Park and experience waterfire. The downtown train or nearby highway sets you up for easy commuting up and down the Northeast Corridor. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.